What's up guys, today's video on the top 5 best hair clippers reviews. Through intensive research and testing we put together listed options. They will meet different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or particular use, we covered all. For more information on products I have included the links in description box down below which you updated for best price. 5. Oster Fast Feed Adjustable Pivot Motor Clipper is a popular choice among professional barbers and stylists. In this review I will highlight the key features and provide an overview of its performance. First and foremost, the Oster Fast Feed Clipper is equipped with a powerful pivot motor, which is known for its durability and reliability. This motor provides ample cutting power, allowing you to tackle various hair types and textures with ease. Whether you're working with thick, coarse hair or fine, delicate hair, this clipper can handle it. One standout feature of the Oster Fast Feed Clipper is its adjustable blade system. The clipper comes with a size 000 detachable blade, and it also includes 3 additional guide combs, sizes 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2, for achieving different cutting lengths. The adjustable blade allows for precise and customizable cutting, making it suitable for various haircuts and styles. Design of the Oster Fast Feed Clipper is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, even during extended use. The housing is made of durable materials that can withstand regular wear and tear in a professional setting. The clipper is also relatively lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the head without causing fatigue. In terms of performance, the Oster Fast Feed Clipper delivers excellent cutting results. The pivot motor ensures a smooth and consistent cutting action, reducing the chances of snagging or pulling hair. The adjustable blade allows for clean and precise cuts, and the included guide combs provide versatility for different hair lengths. Maintenance is relatively simple with this clipper. It comes with a blade guard, cleaning brush, and lubricating oil. Regular cleaning and oiling of the blade will help maintain its performance and prolong its lifespan. Overall, Oster Fast Feed Adjustable Pivot Motor Clipper is a reliable and high-performing tool for both professional barbers and individuals who prefer to cut their own hair at home. Its powerful motor, adjustable blade, and comfortable design make it the top choice. For Wahl Pro Cordless rechargeable hair clipper trimmer is a versatile and user-friendly option for individuals looking to cut and trim their hair at home. One of the standout features of the Wahl Pro Clipper is its color-coded guide combs. The clipper comes with a set of 12 guide combs, each with a different color that corresponds to a specific cutting length. This makes it incredibly easy to select the desired length and ensures consistent results. Whether you're cutting hair for men, women, or children, these color-coded guide combs simplify the process and eliminate any confusion. Clipper is cordless and rechargeable, providing convenience and flexibility during use. The rechargeable battery offers a decent runtime, allowing you to complete multiple haircuts without interruptions. The cordless design also enables easy maneuverability and makes it suitable for travel. Wahl Pro Clipper features self-sharpening, precision ground blades, ensuring clean and smooth cuts every time. The blades are made from high-quality materials, providing durability and longevity. Additionally, the clipper comes with the trimmer blade attachment for detailing and touch-ups around the ears, neckline, and sideburns. Ergonomic design of the Wahl Pro Clipper enhances comfort and control during use. The clipper is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing hand and wrist fatigue. The textured grip provides a secure hold, even with wet hands or when working with slippery hair products. Maintenance is straightforward with this clipper. It includes a cleaning brush and blade oil for regular maintenance to keep the blades in optimal condition. The detachable blade makes it easy to clean and maintain hygiene standards. In terms of performance, the Wahl Pro Clipper delivers reliable and precise cutting results. The color-coded guide combs and adjustable taper lever allow for versatility in creating different hair lengths and styles. It is suitable for various hair types and textures. Wahl Pro Cordless rechargeable hair clipper trimmer is an excellent choice for home haircuts. With its color-coded guide combs, cordless convenience, and user-friendly design, it offers a hassle-free cutting experience for men, women, and children. 3 Wahl USA Elite Pro High-Performance Corded Home Haircut Grooming Kit is a professional-grade electric hair clipper designed for at-home use. In this review, I will provide an overview of its features and performance. One of the standout features of the Wahl Elite Pro is its powerful motor. This clipper is equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers exceptional cutting power. It effortlessly cuts through various hair types and thicknesses, making it suitable for both simple trims and more intricate hairstyles. Elite Pro comes with a set of sturdy and durable stainless steel blades. These blades are self-sharpening, which means they maintain their sharpness over time, reducing the need for frequent blade replacements. The precision ground blades ensure clean and precise cuts, leaving you with professional-looking results. While Elite Pro is designed with ergonomics in mind, it has a comfortable grip that fits well in the hand, allowing for easy maneuverability and reducing hand fatigue during extended grooming sessions. The clipper also features a convenient thumb-adjustable taper lever, which lets you customize the cutting length without changing guide combs. Clipper is corded, which means you don't have to worry about battery life or recharging. It provides consistent power throughout your grooming session, ensuring uninterrupted performance. 2 Andis 12470 Professional Master Cordless Hair Beard Trimmer is a versatile and high-performance grooming tool suitable for both hair and beard trimming. In this review, I will provide an overview of its features and performance. One of the standout features of the Andis Professional Master Trimmer is its adjustable carbon steel blade. The blade is incredibly sharp and precise, allowing for close cutting and achieving detailed and intricate hairstyles or beard styles. The adjustable blade can be easily adjusted to different cutting lengths, providing flexibility and customization. Trimmer offers both corded and cordless operation, giving you the convenience of choice. The corded option ensures continuous power supply, while the cordless option provides freedom of movement during use. The rechargeable battery offers a decent runtime, allowing you to complete grooming sessions without interruptions. Trimmer features a sturdy and durable construction, with a chrome and silver finish that adds a touch of style. The design is comfortable to hold and maneuver, providing precise control during use. The trimmer's body is ergonomically designed, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring a comfortable grooming experience. Maintenance is straightforward with this trimmer. The detachable blade allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. The trimmer also includes a cleaning brush to remove hair and debris, ensuring optimal performance. Regular oiling of the blade will help maintain its sharpness and extend its lifespan. Andis 12470 Professional Master Cordless Hair Beard Trimmer is a reliable and high-performance grooming tool. Its adjustable carbon steel blade, versatile cordless operation, and comfortable design make it suitable for both professional barbers and individuals who prefer to groom their hair and beard at home. If you're looking for a versatile and precise trimmer, the Andis Professional Master Trimmer is a great choice. 1 Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip Hair Clipper is a top-of-the-line tool designed specifically for professional barbers and stylists. In this review, I will highlight its features and performance. One of the standout features of the Wahl 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip is its extended run time. This clipper boasts an impressive battery life of over 100 minutes. Allowing for extended use without the need for recharging. This is a significant advantage for busy professionals who have multiple clients throughout the day. Clipper utilizes a precision-engineered stagger-tooth blade, which creates a smooth and even cutting experience. The blade is designed to feed hair faster and stay sharper for longer, ensuring efficient and precise results. It can handle all hair types and textures with ease, from fine to coarse hair. Wahl Magic Clip is cordless, providing freedom of movement during use. This allows barbers and stylists to maneuver around the head and perform intricate cuts without the restriction of a cord. The clipper's lightweight design further enhances its maneuverability and reduces fatigue during extended use. Magic Clip features a sleek and ergonomic design, ensuring comfort and control during use. It fits comfortably in the hand, reducing hand fatigue during longer grooming sessions. The clipper is lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability around the head and precise detailing. Maintenance is straightforward with the Wahl 5-star Cordless Magic Clip. The clipper comes with a cleaning brush and blade oil, allowing you to keep the blades clean and lubricated for optimal performance. The detachable blade system makes it easy to clean and maintain hygiene standards. One of the standout features of the Wahl 5-star Cordless Magic Clip is its extended run time. With over 100 minutes of cordless operation on a single charge, this clipper offers exceptional convenience and flexibility during grooming sessions. The long battery life ensures that you can complete multiple haircuts without the need for frequent recharging. So that's it for the best 5 hair clippers. Thanks for watching video. Do subscribe for more amazing videos and hit like button, comment below and share with your friends.